Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to CRS past question. Question number 11 says, "It is the Lord, let him do what seems good to him. This world we are made, we are saved by dash A. Saul, B. Samuel, C. Moses, D. Eli." The correct option here is Eli. Eli made this expression to Samuel when Samuel revealed the content of what God showed to him in his dream that would befall the household of Eli, owing to the behavior of Eli's son. So we find this in First Samuel, First Samuel chapter 3, verse 18. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.